Want to see more or less sensitive content on Instagram? Here's a quick iOS and Android guide. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon. Tap the three lines at the top right, then select Settings from the menu. Choose Account, which contains privacy and content options in most versions. Tap Account, then find Sensitive Content Controls near the bottom of the list. If you don't see it, update the app or use Settings search to type Sensitive. Now open Sensitive Content Controls to choose how much sensitive content you want to see. Select Limit Even More to reduce content, Standard for typical filtering, or Allow to see more. On iOS, the flow and labels match Android in most releases, so choose the same option on both. Tap your preferred option and confirm any prompts to save changes if asked. Restart the app to ensure changes apply, then check Explore and Reels for differences. That's it. You can revisit these controls anytime. Follow for more quick tech guides.